How can we funnel people into our business? Because that's the point. I don't want to make content to be famous. That doesn't matter to me. I want to make money.
Stop just posting your most viral posts at the tippy top of your profile. In this video, we're going to talk about pinned posts and which ones to post to the top of your profile to actually convert your content. I'm also going to give you some ideas of what type of posts to do, and make sure to stay at the end. I have a special download just for you.
I wanted to talk to you about 3 posts you need and how to actually make money with them. TikTok and Instagram has a pinned post. The very top post you might see, and when Instagram first started having pinned posts, what you wanted to do is just pin the most viral post. Like, oh my God, this one got the most. It had 10K views. It's not really relevant anymore. Ideas of pinned posts and how to actually make money off this. Let's go over these options. By the end of the training, you could do all 3 and test them out, which one works for you. Number 1 is your story. This literally could be so many different things. I will share my how to build your story video. This can be a reel or a TikTok with multiple pictures. You can put it together with a voiceover. It could be literally anything. It could be a carousel. A carousel is the swipey photos. The point of sharing your story is to attract your ideal client. Like, oh my God, I want to work with her. That's exactly what I went through. I went through a divorce, a breakup, a weight loss journey. I went through something very similar to her. And even if it's not your same exact story, it still resonates. Maybe that connects to your ideal client. You want to share that story. Here are the 3 elements that you need on your story: where I was, what shifted, and where you are at now or where you're going. It doesn't have to be difficult. Like, don't overthink this. Where I was before, I didn't know what to do. What shifted, I saw a post on social media and I reached out to this person. Where I'm at now, I've built XYZ and this is where I'm going. That's how simple it needs to be. So tell me in the chat if you are creating or have already created or are pinning your story to the top of your socials. Let's move on to number 2, which is how it can work with you. There's so many different ways that you can do with this. Like a face to camera like this. Here are 5 different ways that you can work with me. What you can do is face to camera, but also showing the screen. This has actually been working very well on TikTok. Think about it like a FaceTime, like you're FaceTiming your friend. I grab my phone and I'm talking on my phone like this. I switch the camera and then I show whatever I'm working on the screen. For you, it could be how to book with me, how to take my hair quiz, how to take my questionnaire, whatever that is. That way you're pointing to the camera and showing them. I don't know why it's been working so much on TikTok. And it's because it literally feels like FaceTime, like you're talking to your friend. I love FaceTime. You can also do that like a vlog, picture of you working, videos of you working, a day in a life, a voiceover, text. I hope that I'm giving you ideas. Number 3 is if you are selling a product. I've seen this type of post that has been performing for so many women. Sarah Hill do this on Instagram. You could see the serum. They don't care about the bottle. They don't care about the serum. They care about what I'm going to look after your product. Maybe show me a before and after of your client. What are the benefits and how it makes you feel? So showcase, what does your product do? What does your service do? What do they absolutely love? And showcase that. Record yourself doing things. Like I just recorded myself on this call with my camera on the side because I'm going to use that video for a reel in the future. Start doing this. Put your camera up while you're taking notes. All of these small videos can be put together in reels, in behind the scenes. What do you do with all these videos? 2 things that you need to do. Number 1, have a call to action. And number 2, get them off social. So call to action, comment below, ready if you're ready to work with me. I'm so super guilty of this is saying DM me if you want more information. While that's not bad, it's even more effective if you get them to comment or have a conversation in the comments. When I say get them off social, have a conversation with them in a DM, but get their email. You make a group chat for 3, 4, 5 people, 5 of your friends, just to pump them up. Maybe like a mindset, motivation, something. You can get them on an email list to keep in touch with them. Because for the most part, they're not going to buy right away, but you want to be front of mind. We need to build our audience and that trust in people. So if we get them to comment and ask them a question or what do you guys use, something like that, have that conversation. In 2023, it's going to be the year where we're going to have to heavily invest in community like never before. Like I'm talking, we need to make the group chats. We need to get them on email lists and bring people together. And that way you can start making money off your content, not just posting and praying but really building that trust, building the conversations, and for us to follow up to bring your ideal client and your ideal business partner to the business. Please let me know if you have questions.
Don't forget to click that link in the description just for you. It's a free download that's going to help you with content ideas and captions, and I'll see you in the next video.